आज इस चाय के स्वाद में कुछ खास बात है।
देखते हैं खाना कैसे बनाती है।
भाभी, मेरे लिए सब्जी रोटी।
भाभी, मेरे लिए स्पेशल बासमती राइस।
डॉक्टर साहिबा, सबकी पसंद का ख्याल कैसे रखोगी? मेरी भी कुछ डिमांड है।
एक डॉक्टर होने के नाते सेहत का ख्याल रखना मेरा फर्ज है और एक बहू होने के नाते परिवार वालों का दिल जीतना भी मेरा फर्ज है। ये सब पॉसिबल हो पाया है पंचामृता की वजह से। इंडिया का फर्स्ट फोर्टिफाइड राइस और इनके सारे प्रोडक्ट जो खाने में पौष्टिक तत्व की कमी को भर देते हैं। I certified where food is fortified.
This program is presented by Smart Bazaar.
Hello and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at the biopic called Costao. Inspired by the life of the customs officer who fought against all odds, Costao is a biopic on Costao Fernandez. Directed by Sejal Shah, the real-life story has twists and turns worthy of a biopic, although it falls short of fully capturing the dramatic essence of the events. This shortcoming can be attributed in part to the screenplay, which fails to effectively convey the real-life drama on the screen. However, the exceptional performance by Nawazuddin Siddiqui in the lead role largely compensates for this deficiency. Anyone who lived in Goa in the early 90s, 1991 to be precise, has heard about this incident that shook the state. A customs officer was implicated in the murder of former chief minister's brother, who was involved in smuggling activities. While the film adheres closely to the factual events, the dramatic elements do not rise above the commonplace. The film begins with a voiceover from Costao's daughter, who reflects on her father's character. He was passionate about sports, maintained physical fitness, and was wholly committed to his profession, even holding a black belt in karate, as revealed later in the film. His wife, played by Priya Bapat, struggles to keep pace with his dedication as a customs officer, yet Costao reassures her that both his family and his career hold equal importance to him. It becomes evident that he is an absent father, a theme that will resurface later in the plot. Costao has a heart of gold, but he also goes after those smuggling gold. With his informer network, he tries to crack down on the smugglers led by the politician Di Mello, played by Kishore Kumar, and his brother Peter, played by Hussein Dalal, and of course their henchmen. When a standard shipment consisted of approximately 100 kilos of gold, Costao received a tip that 1500 kilos of gold was about to arrive on the shores of Goa. He maintained a watch throughout the night, only to find that the landing occurred in broad daylight. In a scuffle with Costao, Peter was killed, prompting the politician and law enforcement to pursue Costao aggressively. The gold which Costao had accosted mysteriously disappeared. The events at that time were quite dramatic. Costao, who sustained injuries during the altercation, hid himself in the jungle before ultimately surrendering to the authorities. Why would a customs officer, innocent of any wrongdoing, choose to evade the police? His fear of the politicians and their henchmen is evident, yet this reasoning does not translate effectively on screen. Legal challenges began to accumulate against him as he faced murder charges, with the CBI determined to prosecute him. Both his professional and personal life suffered greatly. Costao, the husband and family man, is more relatable than Costao the officer, although the film primarily meant to be of the latter, incorporating elements of the former. Costao is pretty much shunned by his own family. He can't even attend a sports event at his son's school. Nawazuddin skillfully portrays some of these mundane moments with finesse. The climax unfolds in the Supreme Court, but what should have been a gripping conclusion fails to meet its potential. What is unmistakably clear is Costao's steadfast commitment to his country and his profession, demonstrated both through his actions and his words. While this elicits sympathy for the character, there are few scenes that pack a punch. It helps that Nawazuddin is in fine form. He sinks his teeth in the character and how. He delivers lines like 24 कैरेट गोल्ड दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर बट यूजलेस चीज होती है, इतना सॉफ्ट कि बिना मिलावट उसकी ज्वेलरी भी नहीं बन सकती, एंड ही सेज ऑल दिस विद panache. Priya Bapat as a harem wife fits the bill. As for Kishore Kumar as a villain, he has to let silence do the talking. While the film chronicles Costao's lives, it had the potential to be more than just a biographical account. I'm going to go with 2 out of 5 stars for Costao, which is streaming on Z5. Well, that's what I thought of Costao that is streaming online. Do let us know what you think, and I'll be back with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.